Okwatira ekigombe kya enti ebendera omukaruuru ka President wa Uganda Major General Mugisha Muntu oriyo naronda akaruuru muri Acholi. Campaign zezeriizooba yazitandikira mu district ya Agago aho abatuura omugombore ya omiya apacha bayoreko kwetombwita ahabwo bworo burikubazinisa ndomboro ya soro. Muntu yaha abantu abamagezi kubatine korrera obworo ahabwo kuba biine amataka mahango ago bashemerire kukoresa okweiha omu bworo.
Because we have the discipline, we have the management capabilities, and we also have a desire to see a country where people develop so that they become the basis for the development of the country. Therefore, I ask you for your trust, that you give me your vote, and I become the leader of this country. And I create a team of men and women who are honest, who love the country, who want justice, who want to see fairness, so that we cannot develop.
Muntu kuyaheza yayiyongereyo kuzo muri parimo kandi abahagizi be nabo bayoreko kwetombwita ahabwa abakaramoja abaruko batahirra bakabiba hente zabo.
You can have drones. You can also have chips, cows. Cows can be cheap, so that you can track a cow. You can also track movement of people and cows in all the border area that where vulnerabilities are of the Karamajong, and you just be able to wipe out that problem.
Oguyaza no muri Karango Town Council aho enjura yabera nyingi eyamwakira kandi okweminyeto bamushaba kurwanisa enguzi erengero mu government kwarabe yabire president.
Corruption is so deep in this country. There is literally no service you can get in this country anymore.
Omyanya ndijo muri Agago bamugambira ko bari kuteganisibwa ibura ry'embazo mu marwaro amashomero hamwe n'engutombi.
I can't even understand people on the NRM board how they can be that bold to defend things which are indefensible. How will they defend lack of drugs in hospitals? How can they defend selling of jobs all over the country? How can they defend corruption? Really? How?
And Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.